Hundreds of minors seeking asylum at the convention center have been moved to make room for another group of unaccompanied children arriving in San Diego today. Local leaders standing together saying this is the best place for them at this time. ABC 10 News reporter Nate Holmes has learned many of the children are under the age of 12. Nate?
Well, Jim, according to local leaders, the children arriving are likely being paired with their older siblings. Now, we were here around 10 o'clock this morning when two large buses made their way to the convention center through this opening here, which is now closed. Now, we're told 300 teenage girls were transferred from the San Diego Convention Center to another site in Texas to make room for the younger children ages 5 to 12. The emergency intake site started on March 27th with a focus on girls between the ages of 13 and 17. Then roughly 100 tender age kids with older sisters were taken in before the convention center reached its capacity. All this comes as we are learning more about the costs associated with taking care of these children. According to the Washington Post, a total of $60 million per week are being used nationwide as these kids are being housed in federal facilities. This equals about $775 a day per child. About 4,000 more children are waiting to be transferred from border facilities. And according to the Washington Post, the government expects between 22 and 26,000 more unaccompanied minors will arrive by September and require health and human services care. Local leaders say San Diego was chosen as the best place for the minors because of the high standards of care set by our local organizations. San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria and County Supervisors Nathan Fletcher and Nora Vargas released a joint statement saying, in part, regardless of the ages of the children arriving, San Diego will give them the compassionate support they need as they await the day they are connected with family members or guardians who will care for them here in the United States. Now, the hundreds of teens moved from the convention center will be transferred to a site in Fort Bliss, Texas. Live in downtown, Nate Holmes, ABC 10 News.
Nate, thank you so much. And take a look here. Sky 10 is overhead at San Diego International Airport right now and capturing what we believe is the arrival. You see the jet there in that shot of these migrant children. This is a chartered flight coming from Brownsville, Texas. We could see a number of buses that appear to be lined up there. You see them right at the base of the gangway as those folks are walking down in the yellow vests. They are ready, presumably, to take those children to the convention center. Going to continue to keep an eye on this and follow this story and bring you updates throughout the day.